Welcome back to Fictiv360. I'm Dave Evans, co-founder and CEO of Fictiv. And today we're going to be covering some pretty awesome customer stories. We'll be talking about our state of manufacturing and supply chain report. And we'll also be talking about the launch of our production solution for global supply chain. So first up are some pretty awesome customer stories. This month, we helped a leading satellite company that's in the communication space save over 40% on their bills of material by moving their supply chain to India. This is a pretty awesome result of collaboration moving from early stage product development into the launch of commercial satellites. The other one that I want to highlight is a leading automotive manufacturer where we help them with a lot of their kitting and assembly work. We are seeing more and more needs for factory automation as we're seeing more factories be built here in the US and helping customers move just from building individual components to actually full kitted solutions as well as assembly for a lot of the factory automation. Next up, I want to tell you a little bit about our production launch. We launched our solution for production to help companies mitigate tariffs, look at supply chain services as well as design services, and really be an end-to-end service solution company for them to solve some of the hardest supply chain needs in the market today. We can help you navigate your production manufacturing in many different regions and help you mitigate tariffs or build a logistics solution to move goods, or help with engineering solutions to help decrease your bill of materials and expand margins of your product. Check out Fictiv.com to learn more about our production solutions. Finally, I'd like to share a little bit about the results from our 10th annual State of Manufacturing and Supply Chain Report. A few results to highlight. Rising uncertainty. Almost 100%, 96% of leaders are concerned about trade policies. No surprise there. And the tensions continuing to escalate. However, what was interesting from the report is that 77%, so almost 3/4, said that they had a lack of resources to manage their supply chain effectively, even before this wave of tariffs have hit. And so what we're seeing is that supply chain leaders around the United States are looking at reshoring, 68% saying that they want to reshore. But again, 77%, almost 3/4, say they don't even have the resources to do that. So I think what the insights I see is that as we see more turmoil, specifically around trade and tariffs, we're going to see a real pinch here on resourcing and talent to be able to navigate this. So to see the full report, make sure to go to Fictiv.com to download and get some of the insights from our 10th annual State of Manufacturing and Supply Chain Report. And today, I'm really excited that Fictiv has joined forces with MISUMI and entered a definitive agreement to be acquired by them. This is a really proud day for me as a founder, representing hundreds of people at Fictiv that have worked hard over the last decade to build a solution that our customers, you, trust every single day. By joining forces with MISUMI, we get the chance to help build a global platform of both physical factories. They have 22 sites around the world with all the digital infrastructure that we've built, truly to transform an industry. So make sure to check out the news on our website, on MISUMI, and a lot of the press that's out there to learn more about this exciting development. And with that, I'm Dave Evans. We'll see you next time on Fictiv360. Thanks.